You're watching Veg TV.
We're making cranberry orange snacking bars, and we're making them with Tosteds dry roasted soy nuts. The first thing we're going to do in my personal blender, 1 cup of Tosteds, 1/3 cup vegan brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of white whole wheat flour, naturally white whole grain flour, 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of whole grain yellow cornmeal, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, just a quick stir, a cup of orange scented dried cranberries, wonderful orange burst of cranberries in your mouth. I mix the dried fruit into the dry ingredients because that keeps it from falling to the bottom of the batter. And now our wet ingredients. The first thing I'm going to make are flax eggs. 2 tablespoons of flax seeds here, these are brown flax seeds, and 1/3 cup of water. And as it sits, it's going to gel a bit. So I'm going to just set it right here. 1 cup of soy milk. This is homemade soy milk. 1/3 cup of prune puree. 1 banana. 1.5 cups of vegan sugar. A tablespoon plus a teaspoon of triple sec. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Combine the batter thoroughly. 9x13 baking pan that's been greased. And we're going to pour it into the pan. Add our topping. And here are our cranberry orange snacking bars. We cooled them for at least 20 minutes, and now we're going to apply a really lovely orange glaze. Really simple to make. 3/4 cup of vegan powdered sugar, a tablespoon and a half of orange juice. We want it to blend in smoothly, and we want it to be the consistency that will just drizzle off the spoon and then harden. Cranberry orange snacking bars. You will be so happy you've made these.